By mid-afternoon, his Woodbury home was being repaired. But Gabriel Gallico's heart
I'm devastated.
was not.
I can't imagine that somebody would do this. I mean,
Gallico came home today to discover his kitchen window shattered,
I think it was at least 2 individuals.
his PlayStation gone, and the door to his dog's cage was open. Rosie, his 2-year-old Boston Terrier, was gone.
I got her 2 years ago at a pretty difficult point in my life. She really means, words can't describe how much she means to me.
Gallico believes the thieves fled with his dog through the same window where they entered.
I think coming through the window, they had turned this on. There was water everywhere. I mean, maybe even a half-inch of water on the ground here. So
While police investigate, Gallico searches for his beloved pet.
that's her sleeping on my lap right there.
But so far, Rosie is still out there, somewhere.
Nothing can replace her. If it turns out that Rosie was just meant to play whatever part she did in my journey up until now, then that'll be the case, but I hope that's not the case.
Jeff Abel,
I mean, this dog meant everything to me.
Fox 45 News.